Okay. Now we just put the tests in good order and we could go for next step. I prefer to lower the margins a little bit, not too much because the hygiene will get ruined. And now we should freeform the cervical parts. Okay. Because I choose virtual gingiva, I will get FP3 design in next step that we will show in separate video. But right now it's good, and I think it's better not to ruin tooth anatomy. But we are awesome. Good. I'm happy with the teeth arrangement, and now I'm going further to check the abutments. Okay, let's go with the one that exocad gave us. Okay, this is the design that exocad prefers. Let's check what's happened in case that we change this order, like we put it in this direction. Let's go and check what's happened. Oh my gosh. No, no, no. Exocad knows best. Something. But most of the time, human uh, guess is far better than exocad. Okay, now looks what's happened. Yeah, it's far better. No, we should change some details because we need better design. This is absolutely ridiculous design. And I can't get a good result with it. First of all, I need the shoulder. And what I cultured is something like this. So I should increase the width. Yeah, look, the abutment looks different, and different in better way. We have a still problem, but we will solve. And this abutment also have problem with still not, yeah, look. And here, some says that this abutment is too thick, but yes, you're right, but uh, for the restorative reason and for hygiene reason, this is far better design. And okay, okay, good, acceptable. Now we have this stage. prefer to change a little bit. Okay, it looks far better. Okay. Okay. Why did I this designs on abutment? Because as you see, there are some pieces that didn't come with enough thickness, and we have two problems. One with milling, because some milling systems increase the thickness to get the minimum thickness that the machine can mill. And the second, the design is not consistent, and you have some kind of scratches on the design, and that's not good, because when you want to sit the crown, we have problem with the sitting and with the remaining cement and some other problems. Okay, now I put clearance 2.5. Good for this one, because that's anteriorities, and for anteriorities I need incisal and transparent, and so I need more space for ceramic and zirconia. Okay, and perfect. Oh my gosh, this is good. As you can see, there is some shortage of space, but there's no problem, because we are going to design the superstructure with gingiva design, and it will be included in the design. Okay, and now I want to sign them. How do I sign them? Let's turn this off, turn this off, turn this off, turn this off. Okay. Now I put my signature on buckle. And you can do yours, of course. Text V as Wi-Fi. Okay, it's big. And remember to make it subtract. Good. I put this in the buckle also. It shows me where the buckle is. Okay. But sometimes, because of the minimum thickness, it will remove some part of it. But that's not a big deal. And also the milling machine can't do this as it's shown. So when you get the piece, maybe this is not visible as you can see it over here. Okay, we designed the good abutments. In next video, we will design a superstructure on abutments. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe us and tell your friends that there is a good channel that teach you how to design exocad like a pro. Good day and bye.